Hello everyone! Welcome to 98th Percentile. Today, let's explore something truly powerful, NATE, our very own platform created by 98th Percentile to help accelerate your child's academic journey. It's packed with tools to boost performance, build confidence, and track growth, all in one place. What is NATE? NATE is an intelligent, easy-to-use platform designed to support and monitor your child's academic progress. It focuses on skill building and grade acceleration with real-time tracking features and personalized learning paths. Let's quickly understand what you'll find inside NATE. Two major sections, Math and ELA. Math focuses on grade level and skill-based practice. ELA, English Language Arts, includes language, reading, writing, spelling, and vocabulary, all essential for well-rounded development. Homepage gives a quick snapshot of your child's learning journey. Quickly view how much time your child has spent learning, how many skills they've mastered, and the total number of questions attempted. It's a powerful way to understand learning habits at a glance. In Assignments section, you can easily see which assignments have been given by the teacher and track which ones are completed. Progress section gives a detailed breakdown of your child's academic growth over time. You'll find the number of skills mastered, proficient, in progress, attendance, teacher feedback stamps, month-by-month progress, grade-level mastery, and you can also apply a custom date range to filter the data and download the full progress report for your records. This gives you a clear snapshot of how your child is advancing. Library section is a treasure trove of practice materials. This section gives you access to curated worksheets and practice sets, perfect for strengthening weak areas and reinforcing learning at home. NATE isn't just a progress tracker, it's your child's learning partner. Dive in and explore how it can help unlock your child's full potential. Wondering on how to access NATE? No worries. Our expert academic counselor will personally connect with you in 24 to 48 hours after the payment, guide you every step of the way, and ensure your access is set up smoothly. Thank you for choosing 98th Percentile.